Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy, Mario Andua Sr., and welcome back to my channel, The Speaker. Today we're diving into a topic that's on a lot of minds, why the rich get rich. Now you might be thinking, Mario, why should I care? Well, let me hit you with some stats that'll open your eyes. Did you know that the top 1% of earners own more wealth than the bottom 90% combined? Yeah, you heard that right. It's wild out here. But here's the thing. It's not just about the money. It's about how they think, how they plan, and how they take risks. So if you're ready to unlock some of those secrets, stick around. You might just find a blueprint to flip your own situation. And hey, if you're vibing with this, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and drop a comment. Let's get this community buzzing. Maybe we can collab or work on some ideas you want to see. All right, let's get into it. You see, the rich have a different mindset. They're always learning, always growing. They invest in themselves, in their education, and in their skills. They understand the importance of staying informed and making data-driven decisions. Networking is another key factor. The rich build strong networks and leverage them for opportunities. They also seek mentorship and surround themselves with like-minded individuals. Goal setting is crucial. The rich set clear, actionable goals and work tirelessly to achieve them. They're not afraid to pivot and adapt their strategies when necessary. And let's not forget about self-care. The rich understand the importance of maintaining a healthy work-life balance. They prioritize their physical and mental well-being, knowing it's essential for long-term success. Celebrating small wins is also important. It keeps them motivated and focused on their bigger goals. Reflection and gratitude play a big role in their journey. They take time to appreciate their progress and stay grounded. Every day is a new opportunity. The rich wake up with a purpose and a plan to make the most of it. So if you're ready to adopt some of these habits and mindsets, you're already on the right path. Remember, it's not just about the destination, but the journey and the growth along the way. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this insightful. Let's keep growing together. Until next time, stay curious, stay motivated, and stay inspired. Peace out. All right, so let's talk about the mindset of the wealthy. One thing that really stands out is their willingness to take risks. I mean, look at Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest dudes on the planet. This guy said, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. You hear that? It's all about knowledge. The rich don't just jump into things. They do their homework, they educate themselves, and they aren't afraid to step out of their comfort zone. But here's the kicker. They also think long term. While many people are just trying to get through the month, the wealthy are planning for decades. They're not just thinking about today's paycheck. They're thinking about tomorrow's investments. They ask themselves questions like, how can I make my money work for me, instead of how can I work for my money? And let's talk about savings too. It ain't just about having cash on hand, it's about knowing where to put that cash to grow. They're not keeping it under the mattress, folks. They're investing in stocks, real estate, businesses, you name it. So next time you're about to blow that paycheck on a new gadget or some flashy kicks, think twice. Where could that money take you if you invest it wisely? Now I want to hear from you. What's your take on this? How do you feel about taking risks versus playing it safe? Let's spark a convo in the comments. And remember, if you've got ideas or topics you want me to dive into, hit me up. I'm here for you, fam. Another key aspect of the wealthy mindset is networking. They understand the power of building strong relationships. It's not just about what you know, but who you know. They seek out mentors, advisors, and like-minded individuals who can help them grow. They attend conferences, join mastermind groups, and are always looking to expand their circle. Learning from others' experiences and insights is invaluable. Collaboration is key. They know that working together can lead to greater success. Celebrating wins, no matter how small, is part of their culture. They also reflect on their journey, learning from both successes and failures. Setting new goals and constantly striving for improvement is a continuous process. Personal growth and mindfulness are also important. They take time to recharge and stay focused. Balancing work and life is crucial. They make time for family, hobbies, and self-care. Giving back is another significant aspect. Many wealthy individuals support charitable causes and give back to their communities. They mentor the next generation, support startups, and engage in community service. Ethical practices and sustainability are also on their radar. They aim to make a positive impact on the world. Innovation is key. They embrace new technologies and adapt to change. They're always looking for ways to disrupt industries and bring fresh ideas to the table. Celebrating milestones and achieving goals keeps them motivated and driven. Reflecting on their journey and sharing their stories inspires others to follow in their footsteps. They're always setting new challenges and pushing their limits to achieve excellence. Ultimately, the mindset of the wealthy is about living their dreams and achieving financial freedom. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your take on this? How do you feel about taking risks versus playing it safe? Let's spark a convo in the comments. And remember, if you've got ideas or topics you want me to dive into, hit me up. I'm here for you, fam. All right, as we wrap this up, I hope you're walking away with some fire ideas to boost your own wealth game. We've covered a lot today: mindset, long-term planning, and the importance of being educated about your finances. Just remember, the rich think differently, they act differently, and that's what makes all the difference. Don't forget to come back for part 2, where we'll dig into the habits of the wealthy. You won't want to miss it, trust me. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. And just a heads up, this channel is all about education. We're here to break down financial concepts and help you navigate this crazy world of wealth. So if you're ready to step up your game, stick around. Until next time, keep hustling, keep dreaming, and remember, you got this. Peace. Now let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. The journey to wealth isn't just about money. It's about mindset, strategy, and persistence. The rich invest in themselves. They prioritize their health, their education, and their relationships. They understand that wealth is a holistic concept. Networking is crucial. Building a strong network of like-minded individuals can open doors you never knew existed. It's not just about who you know, but who knows you. Visualization and goal setting are powerful tools. The rich often visualize their success and set clear, actionable goals to achieve it. Staying informed is key. The wealthy stay updated on market trends, economic changes, and new investment opportunities. Knowledge is power. Mindfulness and mental well-being are also important. The rich often practice mindfulness to stay focused and reduce stress. Giving back is a common trait among the wealthy. They understand the importance of contributing to their communities and helping others. Financial discipline is crucial. The rich are often meticulous about budgeting, saving, and investing wisely. And don't forget to celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Rewarding yourself keeps you motivated and focused on your journey. So, take a moment to reflect on your own journey. What steps can you take today to move closer to your financial goals? Remember, the path to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed, stay focused, and keep pushing forward. Until next time, keep hustling, keep dreaming, and remember, you've got this. Peace.